Yeah, you're right. One person having control of it's what we needed.
Is there another case?
Your foot bag.
Yeah, there was another on the other side. Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Yes, fine. I appreciate it, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, at least it's on.
Okay.
I was gonna say, is it rideable? I mean, are you guys going out in Taylor, right?
Oh, I'm not with them, so.
Oh.
He's not rideable. He has no pegs.
Yeah,
Oh. And something.
the gear is also gone. I
Yeah, your
think.
clutch is gone.
You busted both.
Your shifter's gone. No pegs.
Are you going down to Taylor or?
No, we have to go back, but we'll see what we.
Were you guys headed that way?
Aurora.
No, we were going this way.
Okay.
Okay.
Taylor's down there a little bit. It's
Yeah.
about- You're
But
going
we
to be
just
about
have to
10
call
miles
some
to
help,
Taylor
I
Park.
guess, or something.
You know,
I was gonna say,
What it is?
Go ahead.
And we're not.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, I don't either.
And if it doesn't start, then I guess.
It won't.
Yeah.
And you have no way to shift. You have no pegs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So yeah, I think.
You'd be driving down the road
we
like
just-
this.
For a long
Next time you go off road, though.
As far as
take
it's
one of
going
these.
downhill.
but if you're going downhill, you just coast.
Yeah.
You know?
All right, thank you guys.
I was gonna say, if you need a ride down, I got the truck. We can put it in the back.
It's about
We
10
can't
miles
really
down the
put
hill.
it.
That's the nearest thing down.
You already have your stuff.
Oh, that's fine.
Is there a? You want to drop it at some shop or? You want to just
I don't know.
take it
Go.
home?
No,
Go, Grana.
I don't know how it will go because it don't have the lever for gear.
Yeah, that's the
And I'm also
problem.
not sure
What is this?
what is this.
No, he says that he can help you out to the city at least.
Yeah, I can throw it in the back of the truck. I got ramps,
Oh, okay.
So if
and I
that's
can get you down to Taylor. That's where I'm going.
Okay.
And then you can call. It's probably easier to tell somebody. It's like, oh, I'm on Cottonwood Pass. Like, where? I'm like, I don't know.
yeah.
Instead of just saying I'm at Taylor Park.
I
Yeah,
wouldn't
but-
turn that off or down.
Yeah.
So if you want to do that,
You might
he
not
can
come
at
across
least
that
get
again.
us to the
Yeah.
city. Okay, let's do that.
Let's do
Thank
that.
you so much for the help. Yeah, we'll try to see if we can push it.
Yeah.
But we need more help from the guys.
Let me.
Yeah, he has all his stuff.